The name Testarossa is actually a nickname that I had as a college student studying in Italy. The family I lived with, the first thing they said to me was "Bienvenuto, Signor Testarossa," which means "Welcome, Mr. Redhead." Testarossa was founded in Silicon Valley in a garage in 1993 by my wife Diane and I. The winery dates back to 1888, and wines have been made here every vintage since. This is the 107th bonded winery in the history of the United States. We're very excited to be partnering with Total Wines & More to create the Cuvée 107, named after this historic bond number back to the 19th century, to create Cuvée 107 specifically, exclusively for Total Wines & More customers. The 2012 vintage is the best in our 20+ years of making wine. And 2013 is looking to be even better. So California Testarossa 2012-2013 Chardonnay and Pinot Noir, you cannot go wrong.